Okay, today we are going to discuss about work centers, and this is the configuration nodes, and we'll see how we can build work center, but let's configure it. Okay, SPRO production basic data, work centers, routing data, define control key. SPRO. Basic data, work centers, routing data, define control key. Now, what are control keys basically? If you look at this, there are basically types of production levels like discrete manufacturing, process manufacturing, plant maintenance, auto production, process manufacturing, auto GR. So these are some operations that we can look at. Standard production order, and this is provided by SAP. Okay, and this will produce automatic good receipt. Scheduling of the production will be done by this control key. It will be a part of the costing, so we can make our own as well, but we'll keep it PP 00. Okay, production basic data, routing, operation data, and control keys. The same thing. It's coming from work centers and this is coming from routing. We go and check the nodes. Work center routing data and basic data and routing, operational data and control key. Again, the same thing. So it's the same thing because work centers work with routing as well. If we just click this, it's the same thing, it's the same node. So routing and work centers are very much related. They are same concept, like material master can define in multiple ways, and same is the case with control keys. Okay, so in-house production. Okay, we can also see that. Do we have in-house PP01? We don't have PP01, so let's make one new entries, or copy as PP01. In-house production and detailed requirements. Okay, capacity requirements, then time tickets, and what do we have else? Okay, copy and already exists with PP01. Okay, and auto production. Okay, auto production, automatic GR, detailed capacity requirements. No, PP01, inspector. Okay, inspection required, automatic GR. Okay, this is different. So we'll need PP01 is already done. So we'll copy as PP02, in-house production. Okay, capacity requirements, then time tickets, automatic goods receipts is not required. Okay, copy, save. Okay, and phone request. Okay. Okay, let's go forward. Production basic data, work center, general data, front end, CRR01, check work center category. Okay. SPRO production basic data, work center, general data, and work center category. Okay. So what work center categories do we have? Now these are the work center categories. Okay. Define work center category, and we can define the colors as well, blue for yellow, green, and let's check this one. Machine, maintenance task lists, routings for production inspect. These are basically the process for a machine. Task list, routings for production, and inspection plans. So machine will have three processes. Production process, task list for maintaining that machine, and inspection like audits, production audits, or machine health checks. Okay. Same goes for labor. What can be the possibilities? Routings, inspection plans. Again, we can have other variables as well. Okay. So these are some of the categories, and let's check CR01 plant. We have to make our own plant as well. Tata Pune plant work center. Okay. Work center. WC05, WC01 category. Let's see what are the categories that are available to us. That is machine 01. So a work center can be a machine, and a work center can be different types also, like labor, plant maintenance, production line. These are the categories that we just saw in the WC02 sheet bender. Where is WC01? WC02 01 lathe machine, let's say. Okay. And we can give some default values. Standard value key, SAP1. Let's say what are the keys that are available to us. Okay. SAP1 normal production. Default values. Okay. Printer, no. Setup, machine, labor. Standard value unit. Now what can be the units? Now these units can be units of measurement like kgs, hours. Machine will be units or hours. Setup, labor will be hours. Okay. Capacities, category. What are the categories? Machine, person, or processing unit. Machine, category. So who will be working on the machine? A labor person. Okay. Scheduling, capacity responsible, 01. Planner group A. Labor hours, for example, capacity based unit, hours, utilization, 100%, capacities, 1. Okay. Next is, okay, next one is 02. Labor, for example. Capacity, Hours again, capacity utilization 100. Okay, capacity category, machine, costing, center. If you have a cost center, then you will have to assign a cost center for this plant. Okay. I don't think you'll have to actually make a machine type. So we will save it. Save plant 06 and work center is created. Okay, production basic data work centers, SPRO, basic data work centers, general data, defined field selection. Now, field selection basically the fields that we have seen which are mandatory. For example, cost center assignment, it was required. Okay, and page down, and we will have some fields that will be either that will require input, required, display, hide, or highlighted. Okay, so we can actually modify this. Okay, basic data. Okay, nothing is mandatory here, like default values. Okay, nothing is required as well. It's called default scheduling. We've already seen the scheduling also. Okay, capacity, pool capacity, technology. Okay, influencing fields. So we have these options that you can change the outlook of the work centers. Okay, we've already seen this. Different fields only we can make them optional, mandatory, and hidden, and that's it for today.